Like many people, you may want to drop a few pounds as quickly as possible. Some people suggest drinking coffee as a dietary aid, but the role of coffee and caffeine in weight loss plan is heavily debated. Caffeine may help you lose a bit of weight or even prevent weight gain, but it cannot help you lose significant weight or keep it off permanently. However, by drinking coffee sensibly and combining it with a healthy diet and exercise regimen, you can lose weight. Getting the physical benefits of coffee. Reduce cravings with a cup of coffee. One of coffee's positive attributes is its ability to suppress your appetite. Try drinking some coffee if you find yourself craving food or going for seconds at meals. This may reduce your cravings until a meal or to get you through a long meal. Augment coffee with water. Although coffee can act as a diuretic, it won't cause dehydration. Drinking coffee and water together throughout the day may help you stay fuller longer and avoid the temptation of eating. In addition, it can prevent you from drinking too much coffee and disrupting your sleep. Sip coffee before a workout. Coffee may stimulate thermogenesis, which is a way the body makes heat and energy from digesting food. It can result in the loss of some extra calories. By sipping coffee in conjunction with a workout, you may help your body burn more calories and fat. Avoiding caloric coffee pitfalls. Read product labels. Specialty coffee products and coffees taste great, but they can come with unnecessary extra calories or fat and sugar, which can contribute to weight gain. Leave out the cream and sugar. Coffee only has 2 calories per cup. Adding cream and sugar to your coffee can significantly increase the caloric content. If you cannot drink black coffee, use skim milk and sugar-free sweeteners instead. Avoid specialty coffee beverages. Many cafes and coffee shops offer tasty specialty coffees that come in alluring flavors such as pumpkin spice or mint mocha. But these drinks are often more like desserts that have hundreds of calories and added fat each. Look for ways to reduce the calories. Remember that it's occasionally acceptable to splurge and have a specialty coffee beverage. However, if you really want a specialty beverage and want to avoid calories, consider alternative additions to reduce the calories. Drinking coffee sensibly. Drink coffee in healthy amounts. A little bit of coffee goes a long way. It can temporarily suppress your appetite and may stimulate minimal calorie burning. Space out your coffee times. If you want to reap the most weight loss benefits from drinking coffee, consider spacing out your intake throughout the day. If you want to drink more coffee throughout your day, try switching to a mixture of full and decaffeinated beans, often called half-caff. This will allow you to safely drink coffee up to 8 times a day and may help you more effectively lose weight.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,